how to lift up this object. It has water in it, so it's pretty heavy, using this belt. Let's make it double in this portion, like so. Now introduce your hand into the middle and put it over so that you have two openings there, and simply lift up that center portion and you will have this opening here. Now introduce the object there, pull this portion to the left and tighten the other one. And although this end is free, the other one can be lifted. And the object should not fall off. It is holding it pretty well. You can pull it a little bit to make it tighter, and in this way you can lift up an object using a rope, or in this case a belt. To remove it, simply pull this portion to the left, that center one. You can remove either the object, or if the object is too large, then in that case remove that smaller end. And that's it. So once again, double, pull out, introduce and lift. Rope and object.